Jamaica
Justice for
watch
Donnalee,
this.
mother raises fist outside Supreme Court.
To each and everyone all over this world, thank you very much to stand with me in unity. Today the verdict has passed and victory belongs to us. Victory belongs to us. I may never know what happened to my daughter, Donnalee Donaldson. I may never get a bone, but justice will serve. Justice will serve. And I will fight to the end, and this is not the end. Because there is a higher God, authority, who is going to deal with this in his own way. And I want to say thank you all to each and every one of you. Victory. We proclaim victory today. Thank you all.